Good morning, everybody. Spirit wants us to listen to our true feelings. There is somebody that's not willing to change, but that is their problem. Detached from their problems, you are being divinely guided, and your creative energies are in full swing. There is a path of money, love, blessings that's going to fill your life, and your relationships are going to have love and harmony. Your spirit guides are always near you. Seek their guidance. You've been asking your angels about something that you want in your life, but there's still something that has to take place before your blessings come to you. A mystical encounter will change your path. Be prepared. They say there's a fresh start awaiting you, and you must have patience with yourself and those around you. It's time to bring enjoyment into your life. You needn't go through any situations on your own. There is help nearby. They say in family matters there's been success and there is stability, and they say you're using your resources wisely. There's great happiness coming into your life. Stay open to receive the messages and divine guidance. The devil has no hold on you anymore. You let go of regrets and all those things that hold you back. There is something in the balance that requires careful handling, and they say, yes, what you're asking about is the truth. Do not be tempted to lower your standards. Release yourself from burdensome situations. They want you to take a chance on something that you're curious about, a new project or something like that. You are being divinely taken care of, and that's helping you take care of your loved ones, and that's bringing happiness into your life. Stay in your peace. You're stepping into a new experience. Just be yourself in your marriage. You've set up boundaries. Now move forward with that. You're on a new positive timeline. Have a lovely day, everybody. I love you all so, so much.